Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm cooking the raccoon. For this recipe, we need pink salt, black pepper, tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of onion powder, green apples, and 3 potatoes. Alright, right now we got the coon boiling in the water with the black pepper and salt. We gotta let that coon boil in the water for a few hours until it's tender. It's been a few hours now, and now that coon is nice and tender. I can't wait to try this. I'm going to give it a taste test to see how it is before I bake it. I am flabbergasted. This is so good. This is nothing like I expected, because the taste of the raccoon has been described as gamey, similar to other wild game meats. Fun fact, if you want to know what raccoon means in Spanish, it's Mapache. Por ejemplo, mi abuelo siempre me dijo que el mapache es bueno para el piel. Before baking, we're going to take out all the bones. The raccoon is done marinating in the seasonings. We already sliced up the green apples and the sweet potatoes. We added green apples and sweet potatoes to have a creative twist to add some sweetness and flavor to the dish. We already got the air fryer's toasted oven set for 400 degrees, and now we're going to bake it for an hour. I got my grandpa here making the raccoon with me, and we can't wait to chow down. I get loving to eat raccoon from my grandpa since he knows a guy that lives in the middle of nowhere, and he be eating raccoon and many wild animals all the time. That country life though. My grandpa's checking out the raccoon to see if it's nice and crispy. The raccoon is done, and now it's time to have a feast. This looks like raccoon heaven, doesn't it? I'm really gonna have a feast tonight. I have the raccoon plus the salad that my grandma made earlier. You guys must think I'm tripping, huh? Well, guess what? Y'all are tripping. I'm gonna try the dish, and I won't cap. This raccoon dish is out of this world. I can taste the sweetness and savory to it. This is basically like eating roast beef. This was a good opportunity for me since so many people I know would never eat raccoon. I know for a fact that none of you would try this as this is not a type of meat that you would expect anyone to eat. ¿Alguna vez has oído hablar de alguien que se haya comido un mapache? No lo pensé. The funny thing about this is that when I was in school, I would ask, hey, have you ever heard of anybody eating a raccoon? And then they would be like, oh, nah, that's sick. Out of all the things, people would just rather eat pork, beef, or chicken. Y'all better start eating that coon because it tastes way better than chicken. It has a richer and more gamey flavor that adds a unique twist to dishes. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. And y'all wanna eat that coon?